Falcons waiting and warming up, stretching up and getting ready for their upcoming match against the Lady Eagles of Ateneo. That's going to follow after this match. And the Ateneo Eagles this time running and getting warmed up also. And these two teams in the hunt. And they're right in the middle of the pack actually. And so far they're in a great position to make it to the Final Four. And these two teams, FEU and NU, falling a bit behind in the team rankings. Ateneo or FEU 3-3 and itong NU is 1-5, trying to stop that 5-game losing streak after winning their first match against UP, the only match that they've won, as Byron with back-to-back errors.
Service, Eulalio.
Again, giving away a point to FEU. Now it's a 4-point lead for the Lady Tamaras.
9 serving 5. Gwyneth Eulalio. Aganon in the middle, blocked. And this time Byron a little too low on the attack.
Now we've seen 3 attack errors coming from Byron. And this time she hits it into the net. She had the right thing in mind. Bring it down the line, having C as the shorter blocker. Pero she just had it go straight into the net.
Now, in stark comparison to sets number 1 and 2, ngayon mas maagang humihiwalay itong FEU with a 5-point lead early in set number 3. C to the middle. Nice dig by Pablo. Here comes Byron on the other side. No blockers. And no points as well, as that was too long for NU.
Wow. What is happening to Byron? That was an open block. No blockers right in front of her. It was a clean lane.
But that
missed it.
Parang, konting-konti lang. Hook lang yata yan.
Now she gets a rest. As
in comes number 18, Jelaine Kawikaan for National University. Now it's a pretty tall front line for NU here, as you see some substitutions also made. Apitan will come in for FEU, pero in the front at the net for NU you have Kawikaan and Dadang.
2 very tall players.
But the ball dropping right in front of both as they were still trying to position themselves when the ball came back from FEU.
12.
Doble na ang output ngayon ng FEU sa NU. 12-6 set number 3.
Early separation here from the Lady Tamaraws.
Nice serve. That was all that Salibad could do with a reception like that. Ito, malakas na naman yung reception ng NU. 2 free balls given to FEU. Here's Kawikaan on the attack. Yes!
Kawikaan scores her first point.
Kawikaan finally getting a point on the board. And this was against 2 blockers, but you know, there's a huge hole in the middle of the FEU defense. Hindi naman laging kailangan power, as we always say.
7 serving 12. Vargas.
Nice attempt there.
Vargas off the block. 13
from the libero.
Galang for NU. She was right there.
Ayun, no?
Kinapus lang ng konti, ano?
A bit late in her first step.
Captain Giselle for FEU.
Nice short serve. Nice serve from Giselle.
2 touches called on.
Doing that in purpose, really targeting that zone on the floor to make it harder for the setter of the opponent to set the ball. Let's see if she still brings it there. This time she brings it to the outside.
Wala na tao dun.
That's really difficult for the setter. Ang layo nun eh. Outside.
8 serving 14. That's one of the things that separates FEU from NU in this game head-to-head. The fact that FEU can always get a solid, good first touch. That reception. first
Malaking
reception,
bagay yun.
Ang ganda palagi as compared to NU. Palaging humahabol si Salibad and she almost always 50% of the time underhand yung kanyang set because hinahabol niya yung bola
That's
from the
true.
first touch.
Kasi si Nepomuceno, ito, baka pumunta na sa back row, very limited touches pa rin. They haven't maximized the rotation that Nepomuceno is in front.
So Desiree Dadang up to serve right now after that service error of FEU. They're getting some easy points, some free points, talking about NU, but they just can't seem to string up a series of points together.
It's out.
Well, here's a 2-point run for NU. They're within 5. Gwyneth Eulalia with an error there. Sorry, Doc.
Well, she brought it to the outside. Again, bothered by the double block. Matangkad na naman tong front line ng NU. Pablo, Nepomuceno, and Aganon.
That tip too high by Vargas. Nepomuceno fires one in. That's picked up by the defense. Better floor defense this time by NU. Joust at the net. Won by Gwyneth Eulalia of FEU. It's a 6-point advantage now by the Lady Tamaraw. 16-10 over the Lady Bulldogs in set number 3.